So guys, if you've not subscribed, actually subscribe now, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Now let's see our pound USD for the day, starting with our daily time frame. Full trend, a downward trend. Our pound USD is actually dropping, and we've saw some key level play out here where our pound to USD drop here. Then we saw a pullback, right? It's also dropped to this our lows here and also give us that pullback we once had. We can see it as a double top, anyone that wants to see it. So if you are to see it again, look in depth, we can see that we are now starting to have that drop again. We'll very much likely have that drop to around 1.19475. Like I said, we'll very much likely have that drop to around 1.19475 before we can either continue to go low or there will be a pullback upward. But if we've not gotten that to that our level we just predicted, then we would want to be shorting this our pound USD. That is daily time frame. We are looking to short it. We can see it here, a low here, a pullback. We can see it a low here. And we've actually gotten this little bit pullback. We can see this large 2 weeks here, right? Which is we can see it on a pullback on our 4-hour time frame. So what are we expecting? A drop on our pound USD. Now on our 4-hour time frame, you can see it's 4-hour time frame, impulse move downward, a correction impulse move, still dropping, and we've actually had a double top at this level here, which means that our price has actually failed to break here, which we had a pullback, it came down, and our price actually failed to break it. So which means we are still on a downward trend on our pound USD. So we're very much likely to get a bearish move on our pound USD. But before that, notice that we might have a pullback again upward and a drop, giving us like a triple top. We have a double top right now. We're very much likely to have a triple top before we see that drop on our pound USD. So it does depend. Watch out for it. But if you are to short this our pound USD, I would just probably say we should be patient enough for our price to break at least this week here, this huge week, which is around 1.26637, at least 1.20637. If our price can break below it, then I think we can now short our pound USD. If not, we're very much likely to see a pullback upward and a drop again on our pound USD. So watch out for it. Very much likely we are still on a bearish move on our daily time frame. 4-hour time frame to see bearish, we would want to short it, but still watch out. We might still have a pullback upward and a drop serving as a triple top. And let's see our 1-hour time frame. See the same thing with our 1-hour time frame. We are seeing a price fail to break above here, serving as a double top, and it has dropped. We're very much likely to get a bullish move upward again, giving us a triple top, and we might very much see a drop again on our pound to our USD.